Hello friends, welcome back to Robotics Automate Academy. So today is the part 6 of Conditionals and we will be combining everything we have learned so far like the previous 5 parts of Conditionals and anything we have learned so far into one big code. And if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, then please do watch them because they're going to be very useful in this video and future videos. So you can find all the information in the description box, so please do check it out. And we'll be starting loops after conditionals, so if you don't want to miss those videos or any of my future videos, then subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get the update of when I upload those videos. And you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook. And let's get started. We will be creating a purchase wristwatch code, meaning in this program the user will be asked few questions about what type of watch they would like to buy, but we're not going to create a real purchase website. No, you get the idea of what I'm talking about. And as you see here in the behind, this is called flowcharts, and programmers use flowchart a lot to decompose a problem, and so this will make your life very easier. So let's say you're given a big problem, and then you can use flowchart to decompose that problem and convert it into programming. So now today you will learn why flowcharts are important in programming. So first of all, this is where the flowchart starts. First we'll ask the user, do they want to buy a wristwatch or not? So there will be three possibilities: yes, no, or in an invalid value. If they type an invalid value, then that's the end of the program. We will give them an error message. But if they say no, then we will say that's fine, it's your choice, and that's the end of the program. Let's say if they say yes, that's when everything starts. If they say yes, then we will ask, do they want men's watch or woman's? If they say woman, then I will say coming soon. But if you want, you can do it, you can add more to it, but I want to keep this program very simple and small. But I'm telling you, you can do it, you can extend your thinking. If they say men, then we will ask, do they want a smartwatch or a simple watch? If they say simple watch, we will say out of stock. As I told you, I want to keep this very simple. If they say smartwatch, then they'll be given three choices. Do they want Apple, Fitbit, or Samsung? And so that's the end of it. You can create more to it, but as I told you, I want to keep it very small and simple and easy to understand for you. As you see here, first I'm giving the user some special instructions like type all answer in lowercase. So when we do the conditions, it will be very easy for us. Then I'm saying choose one of the answers provided in the parentheses. So as you see here, so now when we put condition, they don't get wrong answers, because when we do the condition, we have to check the answers, like if answer equal yes or if answer equal no. You get the idea. So here, according to the flowchart, first I'm asking, do they want to buy a wristwatch? Then giving them two options, yes or no. So now we will put a condition. Now there are three possibilities, so three conditions. We'll say first, if question equals yes, then we will ask them the gender, meaning we will say, do you want men's wrist watch or woman's? And here we will get given two options, man or woman. Then we will put an elif condition for no. So elif question equals no. Then we will print that's fine, it is your choice, or anything you would like to say to the user. Then I will put an else condition for the invalid value. We will say you have entered an invalid value. Sorry. Okay. So now we will continue with the if condition. So here we will check the gender. So we will say if gender equals man. Then we'll ask the type. So we'll say do you want a smart watch or a regular one? These are the two options: smartwatch or simple. Now put an else condition for woman. Yeah, here I will just print coming soon. Sorry, or you can add, you can do the same thing we do with the man, but as I told you, I just want to keep this very simple. And then an else condition for invalid value. So print you have entered an invalid value. Let's come to the if condition. Now we will check the type. If type equals smart watch, then we'll give them these choices. So we'll print the companies. So first is Apple, then we'll give Samsung, and lastly it's the Fitbit. We also put an else condition for simple. We will say, yeah, we'll just print that it is out of stock. Here we put an else condition for an invalid value. We will say you have entered an invalid value. So we have done this, yes, no. So this is the part we have done. Woman is done. So now this is the part we have done. So now for this part, so we'll just, now we will do this thing. So we will say if, first we'll ask them, we'll say company equal int input, because here I'm going to say then just enter the number. So we will say which company. As you see here, I have fixed it. I said from which company do you want the wristwatch, then the special instruction. So now we will put the condition. We will say if company equals 3, I mean 1, or company equals 2, or company equals 3. We will say prices are coming soon, or you can add to it. Lastly, we are going to add the else condition, but for this situation we do not need to add the elif condition. So we will just print, I will just copy this. So see, now it's 100 completely done, 100%. So now let's try and run this code. And if you missed any part, then please do rewatch this video, because if you won't miss one part, then the code is not going to work, meaning you will not get the expected results. So see, I get the instruction saying type on answer in lowercase and choose one of the answers provided in the parentheses. So see, if I say no here, then the program answer and get the message. But if I say yes, then they ask me, do I want the men's wristwatch or woman's? I will say men. I will not go to every possibility. I will just show you the example that it's working or that's working. But you can try every possibility if you want. So it says, do you want a smartwatch or regular one? The option give me smartwatch simple. I will say smartwatch. Yeah, everybody likes a smartwatch. Then they give me three options. From which company do you want the wristwatch? Since I want Apple, I will say 1 as the instruction says. So 1. So it gives me the answer. Prices are coming soon. But if you want to add more to this, then please do add it. See, I'm just giving you the idea of what you can do. So friends, this is it for today. I hope you liked creating the purchase wristwatch logic. And if you missed any of the part of this video, then please do rewatch the video, because as I already told you, even if one part is missing, you will not get the expected result, or the code will get an error. So we will be starting loops now after this video. The loops will also have several parts like the conditional head, and if you don't want to miss those videos, then you can subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you can get the update of when I upload those videos. And hit the like button if you learned something new or if you like this video. And if you want to stay in contact with me, then you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook, and I will see you in the loops video.